Okay, everybody, let's try to create this transition. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start it. At first, we insert a new slide. You see, we have the picture in the background, but we have some modification on the picture. Let me just reset them. For us to have the real picture, we set the PTR screen to take a screenshot of the real picture and add it here. Okay, we have the real picture now. Now we need to create these effects. How we can create it? We add a new slide. We are going to add circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. 5 layers of circles. Because in the past I calculate which size should the picture was. I'm going to use this thing. Always remember to press shift when you are creating circles to create a great circle. Now put one here. Put one here. Okay, put one here. Put one here. Put one here. Put one here. Okay, now we create a first layer. Press Ctrl A to select all of them and then bring them down to create a second layer. It's good. Now we just copy that to paste it here. Now select all of them again. Press Shift and Ctrl. Again, press Shift and Ctrl. Now we just need to delete the last layer. Delete it. Select all of them, make them union and paste them here. Okay, we have the shape, but some of you may say we have the shape but not the effect. It's true. We paste the picture here. Now we have the picture. We want to create the effect. We send it to back and select both of them, go to shape format and try to make them combine. What is happening? Can you guess? Okay, the combine isn't working because of what? Because you need to send this back and select this first and then this and then use the combine. You see, the effect has been created. But some of you may say it's not looking like the past. For what? Because of what? Because these holes are the real holes and not the shape we want is created. Let's see what we can do with them. Intersect is not going to work. Subtract is not doing work. You can say why? Because when you are using the merge shape, the first thing you select is going to be the it's going to be the real picture that we are going to use. Okay, we create the effect now, but you see we have a little shapes here that we don't need them. Because of that, we are going to use intersect. You see, the intersect done the job. Using merge option, always have try and test. And it's important for you to understand. You need this to learn how it works. And just we copy the text. The text has nothing special. You can use it by this effect, and the font is also Overdrive Sunset. You can download it. It's a free font. Now let's try to create the effect. Okay, let's try to create the effect. We copy all the thing in this page, paste them here, send it back, and just send them out. Now let this magic begin. Okay, let's set the transition on. You see, it's looking great and amazing. You can also send this thing. You can also make this slide darker for the transition to look like this. Okay, I wish you understand what we are doing. If you need anything, just ask me in the comments. I will tell you. Have a nice time. Until then, bye.